Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our before video, we have talked about the 6 common 42RLE problems which transmission repair shop can fix for your Jeep Wrangler. You may refer to the video to prevent the same problems happen on your vehicle. Then, there were many customers asking about, can I drive with a bad shift solenoid in my 42RLE Chrysler Jeep? Obviously, the bad solenoid pack is also a big headache to the 42RLE car owners. So, with that being said, in today's video, we are going to talk about some common symptoms for 42RLE bad solenoid pack. Also, we will give you some ideas what you should do when the bad solenoid pack problems are arising. So, please keep up watching till the end. First of all, make sure your car is equipped with 42RLE, as the transmission 42RLE is widely utilized in below models. Then, let me quick recap what's the shift solenoid pack. The transmission solenoids mount on the valve body, play the role to adjust transmission fluid flows in valve body and to active proper clutch and gear. Yes, its function is similar to the other solenoids in different areas. The transmission solenoid is one of the automatic transmission's critical components. The solenoid controls the flow of transmission fluid throughout the transmission system. Together with the electro-hydraulic valves, they open and close in time in response to the electrical signals from the vehicle's computer, which collects the data from the speed sensors. If you sense the automatic transmission is acting erratically, very possible it could be the transmission solenoids are failing. Take myself as example. I spent thousands on replacing my Honda Accord transmission, and I was so regretful that I didn't check out the transmission solenoid first. You can check my before video for more information. From the photo here, you can understand how the solenoid works. By the way, there are different solenoids for different parts in our car. Example, the VVT solenoid, the lockup solenoid, the transmission shift solenoid, and the transmission control solenoid. Basically, they have similar function and work in same principle. Normally, transmission system tends to have one less solenoid than the gears quantity, which means you will have 3 solenoids if vehicle is a 4-speed transmission. The first solenoid is for 1 to 2 gear shift, the second one for 2 to 3 gear shift, and etc. Any faulty solenoid will lead to loss of fluid flow control and fail to shift the right gear. If lucky, when it is the third solenoid for the 3 to 4 gear shift going wrong, you still can drive as the solenoid 1 and 2 enables our transmission to shift gear 1 to 3. In some cases, some models are designed to integrate solenoid into the valve body, and we call such design as shift solenoid pack. Whenever transmission solenoid goes wrong, you can replace only the faulty one. However, in the case of shift solenoid pack, such like this Dodge solenoid pack, you need to replace whole valve body, as solenoids are integrated into a part of valve body already. There are different reasons to cause the solenoids fail. First, let's see the symptoms that show you the warning signals of failing 42RLE solenoid pack. Number 1, limp home mode. Number 2, transmission can't downshift. Number 3, engine check light on. Number 4, delay gear shifting. Number 5, the gear gets stuck in the neutral. Number 6, gear shifting is rough and not smooth. Once your transmission solenoid has above symptoms, it's telling you that something is wrong. There are trouble codes for the failing solenoid if you plug the diagnose tool with the car computers. The error codes will be the P0700, P0751, and P0758. The solution for the error code P0700 is to replace the transmission control module, which normally is located in the back of the transmission. Check if there is any damage on the electrical connections of TCM, the transmission control module. Replace the TCM if any damages are found. The re-diagnose system to see if the error code is gone. In case if the error code shows P0750, that's telling you the shift solenoid is failing and the best solution is to replace the solenoid pack. I know, you are going to ask what I should do when the transmission solenoid pack is failing. As we mentioned in the before video, the best way to prevent the transmission solenoid pack value is to adopt the below hacks. Number 1. Choose the correct transmission fluid. Number 2. Keep the oil clean. Number 3. Maintain the proper fluid level. The solenoid pack, just like other mechanical parts, is wearing over time. However, if we can pay attention to keep the transmission oil clean, we can definitely longer the whole transmission system lifetime. Remember, the transmission fluid should never be burnt off. If there were a puddle of red liquid on the ground beneath your car, it is a sign that telling you the transmission fluid is leaking. Have your mechanics to check for you if they can fix the leaking problem at once. So yes, back to our questions at the beginning. Can I drive with a failed transmission solenoid pack? The answer is positive. You still can drive with a bad shift solenoid, although you can shift over that faulty one, unless it is the first one solenoid goes broken. Then we all know your car can't move. However, you should contact your mechanics as soon as possible to have a thorough check. Remember to ask the mechanics to check the function of the transmission solenoid. The average cost to replace a solenoid pack is around $300 to $500, depends on the make and the year of your vehicle. But if you miss the timing to replace the solenoid, it may cost you $1,000 to replace the whole transmission, depends on the damage level. Once again, don't make the same mistake as I did. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. No matter for Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, Jeep Wrangler, or the Liberty, all of them are loved by numerous supporters. Leave comments below to let us know how much do you like your 42 RLE vehicles. Meanwhile, in our next video, I will talk about the common problems of the 42 RLE and the handy hacks for you to take care of your 42 RLE vehicles in our next video. So, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you very soon next time. Adios!